Hello everyone, my name is Viraj and welcome back to my channel Data Crafts. I hope everyone is doing great out there. Today we are going to solve another interesting SQL problem from LeetCode, that is Premier League table ranking 2. So this problem helps us explore some key SQL concepts like common table expression, ranking function, window function and case statement. And by the end of this video you will definitely understand how to approach complex rankings and tiring problems using these techniques. So let's dive into it. So the problem we have called, so for this particular problem we have been given a table called team stats. So which contains information about all the football teams and how many matches they have played, what are the total number of wins, draws and lost. And we have to calculate the points for each team based on the wins, draws and loss. Then the second thing is we need to rank it based using the ranking function. And the third thing is we have to divide all the teams into three leagues: tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, based on the criteria of 33%. So let's do it. For calculating the points, we could use the normal team name comma wins cross 3 plus draws. Yep. Draws cross multiplication into 1 plus losses 0 as points from team stats. If I run it, yep, I get all the team name along with the points. I would name it as, let's say mm, I name it CTE. See, common table expressions are pretty useful when we want to have multiple, when we want to calculate multiple things on the same table. Now let's use the ranking thing based on the points. How do you do it? You would use the same thing, that is select team name, rank based on over order by. We don't need to partition based on her groups, but rather we could just rank it based on the points. Then descending as position, comma. I would also use count because it would be important when you are when you need to classify into when you want to divide the league into three tiers over as total teams from CTE. If I run it, so you could see that oh, I just forgot to take the points. If I run it, yep. So I'm getting team name, points, position, and then total teams. I also need to order it by position, comma, team name, ascending. That is the best thing. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Now let's convert it into one with position 1 as select. The third thing is we need to divide all those teams into three leagues, right? That is the tier 1, tier 3 and tier 2, tier 3. How do you do it? You could use the case statement for that purpose. Yep. Select everything. Then I would use the case statement when position is less than equals to ceil. Ceil is a function in SQL that makes sure that, let's say you're dividing 10 by 3. The official answer is 3.333, and when you just round it off it would be 3.4. What does ceil do is ceil of 3.4, it finds out the nearest integer, highest integer than 3.3, of course, that would be 4. And if you took floor of 3.34, it would be 3. So that's how ceil for a floor function forms. Ceil of total. So in the question they haven't mentioned how to divide the leaks. So based on the output, I just figured it out that you have to like use a ceil function for that thing. I was hoping they would have asked, but let's see. One. Now once again, mm, 2 cross 2, else it would be TIR tired 3, and I would end as TIER tire, sorry, tire, end it as tire from position 1. Yep, that's it. Now the naming thing. Not We don't need the total teams, right? Name, comma, points, comma, position. Run. Yep. So that's the final output. The key concepts that we had looked into was common table expression, that it helps us create a temporary result set that we can reference later in the query, like over here, simplifying complex queries. Then we use the window function, that is the rank thing, and we use the case statement, which helped us to categorize roads into different groups based on certain conditions. And of course, the ceil function that ensures that teams at the boundary between tires are placed in the upper higher tire. So that's how we solve the Premier League table ranking problem. Understanding how to use CTE window functions and case statements is crucial for solving problems that require ranking, categorization, and tiering in SQL. If you found this video quite helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for SQL and data science content. And as well, drop your questions in the comments below, and I will be happy to help. Thank you and take care till the next time. Bye bye.